I'm a train that kid spinning the wheel, chasing the charts for the ultimate deal. It doesn't burn no fire in me, only numbers light my ecstasy. Do not come, do not come. I'm gonna come when the market runs.
Jump it.
Billions and billions stack the sum. Life's a race and I've already won.
Dump it. Need to make this money back here at the bottom. Right there.
Fortunes flip on a dime. They say I double down and live for today.
Let it go. Let it go. Good afternoon, Marie. Good afternoon. Oh. Hold on. I gotta fucking get this. Yo, what up? Oh, Maria's in the house. What's going on? What's up? What's up? Are you home? I need to make, oh man, I need to make $100. Definitely making money. What up, Donna? I got all the girls are up in here today. Oh, baby. Dude, I had a salad for lunch. It was not great. Nothing great. Good afternoon, sir. Are we looking for a short or bounce back up? I don't know. I'm just gonna wait to see what it brings to me. You know, I would probably maybe look for more downside. You know, more downside seems more likely, right? Yeah, I hope it gets better than my lunch too. I need $100. How hard could it be to get $100? I feel like YouTube is having an issue. It was a salad, man. It wasn't that good. Yeah, I think YouTube is having issues. How's that sound? Does that sound crazy? I need $100 and I can take a payout. It'll probably blow the account, but I'd rather $500 be in my pocket. Let's see what happens. I'm just thinking. Are we going to go up? I don't know if I can fucking do the up to the upside. Anybody else eat anything good for lunch? Somebody had barbecue. Somebody had barbecue, a Mexican. That's really what I wanted for lunch. I wanted something good for lunch. And my wife was like, "Oh, I got salads." And I was like, "Yippee." I don't want no salads. Come on. Dude, they're going to blow this thing straight up. Looks like it. Looks like it is. Egg sandwich and Fritos? Bro, I never had that. Egg salad sandwich with Fritos. All right. Do I just buy and pray for 100? What do I need? 5 points for 100? Yo, CT, I got a straw for you. I know you asked for me to put a straw in my drink. Do I close my eyes when I start having some? All right. I think you got that wrong. Yo, you got to look deep in the camera. Bro, I saw that photo that you put. Bro. Yeah, it's just wrong. He's literally all in on it, staring at the fucking camera. Yo, he doesn't break eye contact with you. Yo, CT. He doesn't break eye contact with the whole stream. You heard Powell might have resigned? Wait, what? Ozzy died? I don't see anything on Financial Juice. One. Dude, how old? Like, I'm not going to lie. Like, Ozzy died. I'm shocked he made it this long. I mean, I watched that show. Ozzy Osbourne was in like another dimension on that show. Like, he wasn't even there. So I don't even understand how he made it this long. Bro, a lot of fast living. Dude. I mean, he was fucking out there. Yeah. I mean, do you know how many drugs passed through that guy's body? Oh. Yeah, dude. I'm just looking at it. I am shocked that he made it that long. Just an FYI. Yo, I think YouTube's having a little issue here. He was normal? I don't know. I need to make $100 in this account. Do we reject this order block and trade back down? Jay Powell resigned? Bro. I'm waiting for like a massive I'm waiting for like a massive fucking uptick here. I'm waiting for it. I don't see. Where do you see that Powell resigned? I'm looking at it. DBT, where do you see it? I don't see anything about it.
Order filled.
Come on. Come on. I get a payout. I get a payout. I hit that, I get a payout. I hit that, I get a payout. Yeah, I really believe that. Push it. Push it. Go the other way. Please. How hard is it to be to get 100? I need 5 points. How hard is it to get 5 points? I don't see any news though. Dude, it's nowhere to be found. I see what you posted, but you would think that would be flooded in the news, right? If I just went the other way, I would have a payout. I don't know. 18 minutes ago, I have Trump calls Powell a numbskull. Yo. It's all over Twitter too. I'm waiting for the markets to pop because of it. Because you got to think, if Powell's out, dude, I didn't see it on Financial Juice. The Juice has it? If the Juice has it, it's real. Come on, please. Please bounce. Price of what dumped? Zaybak, what dumped? Gold? Yo, fake news.
Order filled.
Fuck. If I just went the other way. If I just went the other way. Watch, it's going to come all the way. The ES dumped? I don't think we dumped. I mean, the NQ's down 3 points. Unless it was this it? Maybe. I don't know. I don't even see it on Financial Juice. I'm looking. I feel like I'm missing it. Yeah, I don't see it. I mean, obviously, it doesn't really matter. The market's not doing shit with it. Are you shitting me? We're coming all the way back.
Order filled.
I would be expecting a massive pop. I love that I got bottom ticked. Love it. Love it that I would be up right now. Instead, I'm fucking down $157. What is this? This is leading off of 80. Just locking in fucking gains. Now my problem is I gotta find what fucking chart that was. What chart it is that I was long in ES? Here it is. Bro, what up, what up, Del? Yeah, better get, yo, I seriously need I seriously need to get this right here. I don't see it though. But if it's everywhere, it's everywhere. What up, Pine? What up, Cornelio? Del, you fire up that account? You guys up? Oh, maybe this might be the pump.
Order filled. Order filled.
This actually looks pretty good, by the way. Yo, maybe this is the Powell pump that we've been waiting for. I'm bringing my stop loss up only because I'm going for payout. I'm going for a payout. And if I can lock in, yo, how do I sell one?
Order filled.
Ah, there we go. I'm locked in. I'm locked in no matter what. It's a free trade. I got 2 free trades going. Oh my God. If I can hit this, I might bring my stop up, by the way. Only because I only need $100 to get a fucking payout right here. Push it. Oh my, actually. Oh my God. I could take a payout right here. I could take a payout right here. Just take it. It's got to go up a little bit more. It's got to go up a little bit more. I need, because I'm going to hit the button. I'm going to hit the button and I need the commissions. I'm literally at $100. I need to be a little bit more than 100.
Order filled.
Oh! Oh! Woo! I'm going to end up blowing the account, but you know what? I'm taking $587. Make you holla. About to lock in some fucking gains here, too. Look at this shit. Hope you took it. Going to the moon. Holy shit. Oh, man, I would love to score like fucking. Oh, yeah.
Order filled.
$300. Fuck yes. Daddy's getting paid. Now I got to make this back. Definitely didn't howl like that after my salad. After my salad, I was depressed. Dude, that's awesome. That was big money. Big money, big money, big money. Stop. Yeah. I'm in fucking gold short. Don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years. Did I see that movie? Wait. What movie? I'm scrolling up. What movie? What movie are we talking about, DBT? Yo. What up, Sean? Yo, I just locked in the old My Funded Futures payout. Locked it in, baby. Yo, I need to order one of those fucking money guns. I need to order a money gun. How much is a money gun on fucking... Question. Maria, what's the question? I'm at 53,000. Okay. You're over the limit. You're good. You passed, Maria. How much money do I need to make on a trade of eight? If that's a funded account, if that's a funded account, you could take a payout, Maria. Yeah. Yeah, you're over the limit. You need to be over 52,600. Are you going to get a payout? Tell me you're getting a payout. Tell me you're getting a payout. Oh, baby. Now, wait. Yo, I like the new My Funded Futures. Yo, I think we're going to keep going up with Powell news. Did you make that all in one day, or was it like increments? Like you didn't make more than $1,000. You didn't make more than $800 in a day, right?
Order filled.
Maria, submit for a payout today. That'll be your first payout. Maria is getting her first payout. Yo, everybody smash the confetti for Maria. I'll even give you the clap. Wow. What? That's a big one too. When you submit it, you should be able to pull out. You should be able to pull out about $1,000. That's what you got. Is you got about $1,000 worth of yeah. That's freaking awesome. Yeah. $1,000. Dude, that's crazy. That's awesome. Awesome. No. You're not going to be able to request right now. You're going to have to wait till tonight. You're going to have to wait till. What the fuck? You're going to have to wait till tonight, Maria. After it updates, you're going to be able to request. Yeah, so tonight, bro, Cove Squad getting paid today. Get the payouts. Oh, Sean, I got to look at Discord. You told me to look at a Discord message. Hold on. I don't check my... Yo, Sean, I don't see your message, dude. Yo, what up, Adams? Oh, that? No, I haven't heard of that. Yeah, I haven't heard of that. I'll ask. I'll ask right now. Oh, Overtrader, a ton of green on my screen. I just locked in a payout. Up a small amount here. Up. I'm in a trade that's not going my way, but I'm not worried. I'm down 1,500 today on my Master Bulenox. Oh, dude, never get greedy. Don't get greedy. I think you could still do this deal, by the way. Yeah, I'm almost positive you could still do this deal, the 50% off my funded futures deal. That's for the original accounts. Yeah, Adams, just practice money management. That's all. I'm pretty sure if you buy the old, by the way, my funded futures is redoing all their accounts. If you want the old accounts, somebody said they were still offering them today. I don't know how long they're going to offer them for. So I brought my funded future balance down. Yeah, that's, you don't want to make more than half of what you need to make. Sean, I asked. Yo, if that Powell news is real, I would assume this is just going to go. They have the old accounts till the end of July. So, yeah, 50% off my funded futures for one account till the end of July. And then they'll be gone forever. Powell news was fake. Yeah, I assumed. I assume by the market not really just torching up. 50% off. I was talking about this. My funded futures is 50% off for one account. That's what happens when you got a bunch of people fucking posting fake news. This account's going to get blown. What account is this? This is my funded futures. This account's on its way out, though. With Project X? Oh, this? It's bull nuts. This is a master account, so it's a funded Bulenox account. When you have a moment, can you please explain scale, my funded futures on the payout side? I'll show you the little thingy. Hold on one second. Is this it? I'm looking for you. The payments scale up, basically. Let's see if I can find it for you. Here you go. So the scale plan is this. Basically, on payout 1, you can do 1,500, and you can get more payouts. As you take more payouts, they can become bigger and bigger. And after 5 payouts, I believe you go live. I almost shorted because of Cove on my... Wait, what? Wiser than most? What up? Helicopter accident today, pretty much. And what are these new accounts? Yeah, Ozzy Osbourne just died. The new accounts are my funded futures. They're restructuring all their accounts. Dude, I was saying that looked fake and that it was nowhere to be found for this Powell news. But what sucks about the Powell news is you got people sharing it that, you know, don't check, and then people make financial decisions based on this. And that's why you got to really watch out where you get your information from. Just being honest. You know, if you're getting your info and not looking around and doing shit like that, it can cost you a lot of money. What account is that on the... oh, no, I scrolled up. I'm not sure. Oh, it's coming back. Don't call it a comeback. Yo, when Josh comes in here, I got some crazy... I made an easy $213 of real money today. And I'll let all you guys know, but Josh is going to want to know. So, dude, you know what it is? It's some dude that shares something off of fucking Twitter in a chat room. And then all these people are like, yeah, yeah, yeah. And they start sharing it all. And it's like, dude, it's not even real. Like, if you just, I just went on Google and searched it. Like, you're telling me that some guy, Jimmy, got it off of fucking Twitter and it's not all over fucking Google News? Come on. It's not on Financial Juice and it's not on Google, but some guy in a chat room has it beforehand. It's crazy. It's crazy talk. Just be careful. Yeah, it's nowhere, Fred. That's why I was like, I don't see it anywhere, and fucking be careful. Don't call to come back. Yo, Sean, you're gonna fucking hit me up, I bet. Are you shitting me? I was right there. They couldn't fucking film me. Yo, I'm just taking that because I am stacking gains today. Yo, you didn't see my my gold, man. My gold trade. I figured you'd be into gold, you and CT, and maybe, you know. Oh. Oh, you don't like gold? Gold's been good to me. Dude, I've been making back some fucking losses early. So I found out not to trade the ES in the morning for the first 15 minutes. Oh, PK, are you on here? What up, Hermes? Oh, you knew about it though already. You knew I was trading gold. That's why I didn't mention you. Yo, how funny is it that as soon as I follow you, nothing works. That's how it works, BK. That's how it works. I am the trend killer. I am that guy. Look, I had some good gold trades. Gold up, gold down, gold down. Nope. I'm cursing it. I'm cursing it. You're going to be sitting there fucking punching the ceiling like, oh no, fucking did it to me again. Look at this. I'm still in this thing. Dude, if I could turn these last two PA accounts green on the day, woo! Oh, sorry. Do you want me to make eye contact with you as I suck out of the straw? just like your boy. Man, today's pretty good. Today is very good. Oh, I don't think I told you guys I did something stupid the other day, right? I don't even want to give it clout on the stream. I would never do it again, and I was bored. But I one of my friends that trades props that you guys don't even know. Follow me tonight. We'll be happy. Wait. What did wealth charts do? Hold on. What did wealth charts do with your trades? What did they, Jack, all of a sudden just add trades or something? I want to see this explode. I'm following every night. Every night it's not going to work. Yo, I love how Topstep calls it big league updates. Big league updates. Yeah, okay, bud. Big league updates. I went short and it. Oh, Jack, that was happening yesterday. That was happening yesterday on, what do you call it? Dude, on Tradeify, that was happening. I was doing it in front of everybody. I was hitting long and it would go short. Are you hitting the button real fast? I was smashing the button long, like real quick, and all of a sudden it started to go the opposite way. Yo, give them your big meat updates. Dell, you got to change your profile picture to that fucking GIF, bro. The guy sitting on the computer. That's so Dell. Yo, CT, when that was working, it was unbelievable. How awesome was that? That was like, it goes to show you, though, that if we get into a big volatile market again, I would go back to playing it. I would go back to revisiting it in a volatile market. I just wouldn't do it right now. Yeah, I think certain things just work in different markets. I just think you got to adapt. That's probably what I would say is you got to adapt, and it just doesn't work in every scenario. It just doesn't work. I started playing the 5 second after, and that had a better win rate on it. And then, it is what it is, right? At the end of the day, if it's not working, I back tested it. So I actually back tested the drift, and like the drift only works to the downside. I used that FX replay and found out a lot of good info. I might take this off. It looks like we're going to hit right here, and I'm up 100.
Order filled.
60. I need a win here is what I need. I need a win. I might have got it. I got out right at the top there. Don't call to come back. I've been here for years. I'm trying to think what else I need to do here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Rejected right off the that's either the orb or the initial imbalance. Let's see what that is. That is the bottom. That's the bottom orb. Wow. I didn't know it was the bottom orb. That's a pretty good rejection, actually. Good spot for a rejection. One more tick. What are you, short, CT? Are you short right now? If you're short, it's looking good. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, man. For anyone just joining, we're actually up pretty good today. We're up what you see on the screen. And then I got a bunch of funded accounts that are up over here. By the way, CT, you said you were trading quant, right? Rhythmic accounts? Dude, I use Rhythmic on Quant Tower. I love it. I mean, that's a funded account for 437. Working my way up to a payout. Here's another one. This one's getting super close to a payout. That's about $800 away from a payout. And then this one was down, and now it's back up. All funded accounts up $437. I'm copy trading all of them at the same time, obviously. That's why they're all up the same amount. Yo, CT, have you used Quant Tower? I didn't even know Quant Tower has strategies, by the way. Oh, I guess CT's gone, but I have not, dude. You got to check out Quant Tower, dude. Quant Tower is legit. I love it. I love it, dude. It's just so nice. You can do real fast trading in there just by click of a button with the mouse. Super quick. Don't call to come back. Yo, what up, Varma? I am not able to enter the giveaway, bro. Are you subscribed to the channel? Because if you're not subscribed to the channel, you cannot enter the giveaway. So you got to be subscribed to the channel. And then Streamlabs, just make sure. Yo, I took a 9 mini in some fucking random I was answering him. I took a random 9 mini bounce. I'm out. It was for 4 points. It was definitely not something to follow. Yeah. Well, you got to be on the stream. Streamlabs make sure that you're a real person, so you got to be on the stream for a little bit before they allow you in. If you're not here, like if you're just not here, they assign you points. Yeah, well, that lets you, if you're on the stream for, I think it's like 3 minutes, you get a point, and it's like 5 points. So it's really 15 minutes of the stream. So if you're not on for 15 minutes, it keeps you off, and that stops people from signing up with like 50 names. We were having duck race fraud, basically, and the only way to get rid of duck race fraud was to come up with this point system, which makes you have to be on the stream for a little bit to enter. And it's good because it keeps the free accounts for the people that are here. Yo, I'm not even going to take that. Yo, you had to see how many people were. You'd have like 40 people in the room with like 86 people that signed up for the duck race. And it was like, how does that happen? Got my account to be able to request. Dude, another payout today. Holy shit. TJ. Payouts. TJ getting a payout. Bro, there's a lot of freaking payouts happening tonight. If you're not getting a payout, yo, just stick to your rules, man. That's all it is sticking to your rules. How were you not in there yesterday? I don't. Did you submit your name at all yesterday? I'm looking at everybody that was in there yesterday. Bro, you ever run into one of those days you just want to freaking have some surf sides and not worry about the market? Is that bad? Is that bad? I just want to pop them in some surf sides, go in the pool, and not worry about shit. Oh, no. CT, you got it, dude. Don't blow the account. Yeah, no, I see you weren't in there, PG. I looked. I just looked. I think that's gold long. Oh, dude, Ian, are we in a tank below? I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't think so. You'd have to get a 240-point move. You'd have to lose 240 points. I don't think we're doing that in 50 minutes. Nah, that's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, initial balance is low. It's all the way down here. I want to see a monster, a boner flash crash. I mean, you and me both, man. Honestly, we had this crash this morning, Ian. I literally bought the bottom. I bought the bottom and didn't hold. Although I did make good money. I'm not going to say I didn't get good money. Some fried clams. I don't trust this market at all. Holy shit. What just started running? Yo, this might be, man, this might be one of the hardest months of trading. This might be one of the hardest months of trading stocks and options, to be honest with you, as we hit all-time highs. Just throwing it out there. I have taken actually, I haven't really taken big losses. I haven't taken any big gains. I haven't taken any like massive gains into anything. Just looking. Hard, getting harder. Dude, I think we're going to be in for a big dump eventually. Eventually, I think we're just going to dump. That's what I think we're going to do. TD trade, flush it. Doesn't, I mean, you got a little head and shoulders here. Look, you got a shoulder, a head, a shoulder, and let's see if they unload it. Unload it to the downside. Oh. Dude, every time you think it's just gonna, that's it. It keeps it going. I mean, I think we're gonna come back down. I definitely think we're gonna come back down. What up, Donovan McNabb? Who's buying that crap? I have no idea who's buying. Someone's buying. Every time they have the opportunity to like just flush it, like just dump it. They just don't. They just don't. They don't let it go. Oh, you think the market's overvalued? I'm bringing up the PE ratio of the S&P 500. I believe it's, yeah. So you can see historically where we sit, right? Historically, we have sat obviously lower, and then after we've been, I mean, we're not super, it's not super high. I mean, we're not, the PE got as high as, you know, in the 30s, 35. Like we're not there yet. You know, we're not super high. for a completely overvalued. I think you just ride the wave. You know, you just ride, you play the chart. I think everyone is trying to find, you know, honestly, Ian, the longer they hold it, the odds of it dropping are less, only because as time goes on, there's inflation and things like that that automatically push the market up. You know, inflation, inflows, like everyone puts, you know, every month there's inflows of money from retirement funds, you know, people saving. What up, Nism? So, you know, I agree that we need a pullback. We just need a catalyst, is what you need. It's not just going to happen. You need like water breakout, or you need like, I don't know, the US debt, something with the debt, like the debt restructuring, or you need this whole China. You know, we have the whole China deadline on August 1st. Like, you need the US and China to have a tariff war. You know, you need shit like that that will drop the market. That is what we need. You know, the rest of this shit's all bullshit. You know, you need a big ass catalyst to send this fucking down, is what you need. That China tariff, by the way, China tariff is coming August 1st. Hold on one second. I just need water. China tariff is coming August 1st. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Holy shit. What up? What up? Dude, what's crazy is we haven't really gone any. It's another day of it's another day. Oh, baby. Gold. Gold. Summertime got, yo, that's really what it is the volume is all early. After the early rush, I'll be honest with you, it hasn't been great trading. Like, I'll just show you. Today was a little bit better though. But like the big move today, I like doing it on here. The big move today was down here. Like, I was talking about this in the Discord. I took it. Obviously there's plays that happen. Like, yeah, like you could come back, you could scalp. You know, there's the rejections. There's definitely things that have happened that you could play. You know, there's definitely things that you could play. But I think the best thing for me was probably this. After the morning, you could have gotten this up, and whatever this was, Yo, CT, I think this was your silver bullet, right? What up, Alex? I hope we do, Knob. Listen, I like going down. When you go down, you get these fucking snapbacks. They don't have to be snapback to the highs, but you do get nice recovery dumps. Oh, baby. Yo, smash the like button. Yeah, I like the fact. So you didn't take front or back door. You didn't take the silver bullet PM. I think that was it. I imagine just by eyeing the chart that was it on the downside. I mean, you could have gotten some good points. You could have definitely gotten, I don't know, probably 20 points or so, 30 points. So I can be honest with you, we've been stacking gains a lot in here. Like, anybody have questions? Anybody in the chat that is not making money have questions? Because ask. I mean, we've been stacking gains pretty good. Do you have any like questions I can answer why we're just in a slow ass market right now? Let's see if I can turn some of these fucking all green too. See how many I can turn green. Ended a dump for daddy? I don't know, man. What do I do to avoid self-sabotage? Honestly, Rad, I am numb to losing money, personally. I am just completely fucking numb to it. Dude, wicked up, grab one order. I'm numb to it, and I don't let the bad things go bad. Like, if a trade doesn't go my way, I'll just say, hey, man, like, it didn't go my way, right? Now, going forward, let's make a good decision. Yo, that is all. Yo, you know what, dude? I've made and lost a lot of money, like real money. Not even, I've traded real money before prop firms. Like, for argument's sake, we'll just random day, right? We're just gonna pop today open, right? I'm up $3,800. I am just fucking numb to it. Like, cool. Okay. I followed my fucking rules. Things are moving the way I want them to. That's it. It's all mechanical. You're making a trade. It's all mechanical, right? I make the trade. The outcome is good. I sell. I just do it again. You know, and if it's bad, I know over the course of time, my strategy works, and that's all that matters, right? You know, I just kind of follow my strategy. If you've back tested your strategy and you forward tested your strategy, right? So if your strategy is, I don't know, every time we hit VWAP, you can get 5 points, right? Well, you know, every time you come back and touch VWAP the first time, you get 5 points 85% of the time. When it loses, you just say, okay, well, that's part of the 15%. And it's going to happen 15 out of 100 times. It happened. The next time it hits VWAP, you know, we're probably going to bounce. I'll make money. Yeah, Ozzy smoked. Yeah. Crazy. You know, I just think that everybody, when they lose money, automatically they need to make money. And you just got to be able to sit here and say, okay, we're just gonna fucking hang out. Like, I don't really care what's going on. Like, to me, it's not, it's more mechanical than anything. It's this is what I'm looking for. This needs to happen. I'm in. I'm looking for this many points, and I'm out. T1 earnings at close. Do they move it? I don't think any earnings. What's the big earnings today? Tomorrow you got big earnings. I know tomorrow's a big day. That's right, Zaybak. Just trade it. Texas. Today Wednesday? No, today's not Wednesday. Tuesday? Dude, what are the earnings today? Is it just Texas Instruments is not going to move the market? Texas Instruments is not going to move the market. Texas Instruments is the 5th biggest company reporting today. They're not going to move the market. Tomorrow you got Google, Tesla, IBM, and ServiceNow all after hours. Woo! I'm hanging out tomorrow after hours to trade. Dude, that's going to be a crazy one. Google, Tesla, IBM, and ServiceNow. Yeah, and IBM. IBM's another big boy. Just to sprinkle on a little bit, a little something, something. Yeah, and then next Wednesday is the other big one. Yeah, we got a couple big ones coming. There's definitely a couple big ones coming. I'm just looking. I'm actually, you know what I'm going to do, to be honest with you? Let me, strategies. Let me just look to see. I am going to just swap this out. I'm not risking the rest of this. I'm not risking it. I gotta test something out here. I'm just looking at my shit. I'm in gold fucking long. Oh man, my bad. I was just fucking playing with all my settings, all my replicanto shit. You know, I was just playing with everything, seeing what the deal is. I'm pretty good how my day is. Not gonna lie. We're green. We're green. We're green. We're green. This account's red. My other one just locked in a payout. Yeah, we're pretty fucking green today. We're pretty green today. I think the distribution phase is done. The only path is down. Ian, the big thing you need to look at is what the next catalyst is going to be. And I see it as August 1st, if there's no deal with China and Trump slaps China with a tariff that's high, boy, are you going to get your dreams. It's going to, dude, they'll dump this shit. You're going to get a massive dump. Like, you'll get that fucking 20% pullback that you're looking for. If China and the US can't settle on tariffs, you are going to get a massive pullback. You got a little taste of that in April, and it will happen again, because what's going to happen is, and I almost see it, Trump can't take a loss, and the China guy is not going to take a loss. They don't want to look weak in front of their people, and Trump doesn't want to look weak. And what's going to happen? Trump is going to say, fuck you, here's 40% tariffs. China's going to come back and say, here, 50% tariffs. And it's going to be a back and forth like it was, and it's going to dump. Yeah, well, I feel like they can't keep, I said this before, they can't keep extending it. The China guy, what's his name? Xi Ying? What's his name? Xi Jinping? Yeah. How do you pronounce? Here you go. Yeah, you only have 10 days. Yeah, hell yeah. So it's Xi Jinping. Xi Jinping. That dude can't look bad. I'm telling you right now. He can't look bad. That guy's going to come out fucking swinging. I'm just throwing it out there. Yeah, he's going to come out swinging. Trump's going to come out swinging, and it's going to be a big dick contest. And I think the markets are going to tank. Mink puts green again. Bro, you're telling me, man. Yeah, I mean, but they could do it. They do whatever they want. So Trump's going to add a tariff, and it's going to be back and forth. And you just started getting a taste of it. He started talking about tariffs with the EU and whatnot. I think it's all going to come to a head in like August or September. And you're just going to get a fucking wipeout. You're going to get another what just happened. I mean, unless they come back, I don't see them coming back with a... The tariff party is over. It's going to be interesting. The whole shit's interesting. Honestly, if you were trading this and it was a 1 minute chart, what would you look for? If you were trading this and it was a 1 minute chart, yo, isn't it funny how we went up and hit this pivot point exactly and rejected? I would be looking to trade back into this breaker, which is only about 700 points down. But if we lose this breaker, this is really where I want to see us. I want to see us come back at 20,000 range. We come back to the 20,000 range. I would love that. That to me would be a solid pullback. You know, but yeah, this is what the tariffs did. Look, this is all tariffs. All down is the tariffs. So you're telling me if we got some China, you know, you can't easily go here? I mean, listen, if we ever went back down here again, I'd back up the boat, you know, again. Why don't I add a few short micros? Because the market could just keep drifting up, Kevin. And I would rather make money with the market going up. I'd rather just keep selling puts and collecting money rather than going there short the market. I just ride it until the party's over. That's all. Yeah, I don't think we're going. Yeah, that's why I don't think we're going to go super far down, but I could see us going 50% if him and China go back and forth. I mean, not 50, 15. I don't think we're going below April lows, but I could see 20,000 if him and the Xi Jinping go after it. I mean, either way, I play it either way. I mean, listen, you make money either way. You make money up, you make money down. You know, the idea of this is just to make money, right? It doesn't matter if it goes up or down, left, right. Just make money. Your job is to extract as much money from the market as possible, right? Oh shit! I just cracked 4 G's. Damn. You know what's funny though? No matter how much money you make, I still got to take the garbage out. I still got to do all the fucking stuff. You know, you still do all the same stuff. Nothing changes, man. All it is a number on the screen, and it's back to doing all the normal stuff. You know, I live the same life as everybody else. Take the garbage out, make dinner, clean up, fucking can't find the remote in the couch because the kids fucking hit it. You know, all the bullshit that you guys deal with, I deal with the same shit. It's no different. You know, people are like, oh my God, when I do, it's the same shit. Same shit. I deal with the same stuff every single day that everybody else deals with. I go to eat my last ice cream. The kids ate it earlier in the day. You know, I don't know. All the same stuff. I go in my kitchen, fucking there's ants on the floor from my kids leaving food on the floor. Like, you know, now I got to kill a bunch of ants. You know, burns when it doesn't, it burns when I pee. Yeah, it's just all the same shit. Like everyone's like, oh man, when I make this, I hate to break it to you. When you do, it's just a number on the screen. And all you're doing is building an account where you make more money and you're building an account. Still got to clean up the poop in the hallway. Still got to do everything. People think shit changes. No. Same thing. I just do the same thing every day. Just extract as much money. There's no Lambos. Listen, I'll keep it real. There's no Lambos. If some guy's driving a Lambo and he's got a watch on, like, I would not be following that guy. Yo, Zaybak, you can. I don't want to say it too loud because they can hear me, but yeah, you can make wife-changing money. That's my favorite line. You can make wife-changing money. But yeah. Yeah, Ozzy died. Yep. Yeah, I'm not buying a Clambo. Dude, just yo, if he deep throats a straw and makes eye contact with the live stream at the same time, do not follow him. Yo, if he looks like he got stuck in a tanning bed, do not follow him. What up, Larry? Always cheaper. Dude, I can't even get a phone charger to work. People talk about Lambos. I can't even get my phone charger to charge my phone. I will say, I personally am happy with my day. I had these PA accounts were down 800. One was down like 1,200. This was down like 1,200. I think this down was 800. I made it all back. I made a lot of green. I'm going to start doing net on the PA accounts. So I just add up what I made on the PA accounts, plus I minus what I lost on the PA accounts. Net on these, any funded accounts. This funded account that's down 500. What up, Romeo? The Orange Club. Bro, if I see you deep throat in a straw, making eye contact on the stream, I am out. I'm out. I am not playing MOC. I backtested MOC, Sean. The drift to the downside is where it's at. 74% win rate on the drift to the downside. It's a true stat. True stat. Yeah, do not play it to the upside. I can tell you that. To the upside, it has like a fucking 35% win. I'll actually show you guys why I'm on here. Here, you guys want to see this? I made a video about this. I'll show you this cool tool. I'm bringing it up. So here's this tool I back tested, and I'll run over I'll throw out the trade there. I don't give a shit. I'll throw it out there for you guys. You ready? So this is a back test that I started in May, and you can see the fuck. I don't know what's going on. Hold on one second before it brings up my fucking address on this thing. I'm just trying to look at something. All right, here. Look, I back tested this trade. I'll show you what the trade is right after. So 59% win rate, right? R to R is basically 1 to 3. So I think I did like a 25 tick gain, 20 tick loss. I think I did, right? Total trades, 27 sell, 18 buy. But if you look, sell won 74%, buy only won 35%. So this was it has its worst win rate on Tuesday, which is today. But anyways, it basically tells you what's good. So this trade is the end of day drift trade. That's taking the break of the 359 candle to the downside. That's what it is. So 359, we close. I take the break of the 359 candle to the downside. That's it. Super simple. If it goes up, I don't trade it. Also, if I'm having a good fucking day like I am today, I am not going to take it either. I'll take it in eval. So I'll play it in probably like this eval. I'm not interested in changing how good I did today. I think I'm perfectly happy with my gains. So I'm not going to risk it on one trade that could fuck it up. And then at the end of the day, I'm like, oh, shit, why did I do that? No, I'm good with how my day is, so I can just move on. You think MOC is going to drop? Let's see what happens. By the way, Thursday and Friday, I'm going to stream, I think, all day. Like, I'm going to stream the open the entire day if you want to hang out. This is the last time the duck race is open for the day, and that's it. Stream all day? Yeah, you're going to see me the whole day. Just the whole day. Why not, right? Why the frig not? We'll just hang out. We'll be BFFs by the end of the day. What's up, Melon? Big earnings tomorrow. Tomorrow after hours is going to be crazy. I'm debating on taking this to the upside. Ducks, baby. Quack, quack. Dude, who's reporting? Oh, Tesla, Google, IBM, Jack. Tesla, Google, IBM. End service now. That's a lot of that's a lot of money reporting tomorrow. Full port MOC? Bro, I'm not full porting MOC. The MOC won't let me be. But if you look, you know, we're in between an order block. We're in between two order blocks right here. Right here and right here. It's both. It's all after hours, Jack. I don't have the exact times, to be honest with you. What up, Corey? I don't have the exact times. But you can see we're stuck right here. I would favor the upside, but who the fuck knows? Let's see what happens. It's weak. Shit's weak. Honestly, if they would have wicked you in on the upside, you're about break even right now. You've been late. Yo, did you ever get those accounts to pay out that were stuck doing kind of nothing? You were saying that like you had a bunch of accounts that were funded that weren't doing anything. Yo, this MOC was so awful. Look at that. That was 2 points. Although if you got in long, you're probably about even right now. You know what I mean? Like if it sucks you in long, if it sucked you in, you're about even. I'm going to play the drift. I'm going to drift. I'm just looking. Dude, I think they caught on.
Order filled. Order rejected.
Let's see if I can make some bucks here before the end of the day. I want to make dollars, bro. I want to drive a Range Rover and get ass. Make bank, bro. Oh, man. Come on. Honestly, I figured I'd just ride this red line up. But either way, let's see what happens. Making some money today. They're after my sim profits. Yo, the sim market makers are watching me. The sim market makers are all over the place. Yo, they're sitting there in the sim CME. Dude, it's crazy though. What we're getting in the summer is basically like the market doesn't move at the end of the day. Like this is 2:30ish. I mean, we just went an hour and a half in basically a 15-point range. Hour and a half in a 15-point range. Think about that. What the fuck? That's my internet. Whoa. Whoa. Fucking internet, man. Yo, it's the sim market makers doing that to me. We're playing the Sims. Oh, these are those other rebills that fucking, I guess I didn't refresh my computer. Dude, I got a bunch of $16 rebills. It was Rebill City. Yo, what up, Overtrader? Battle of the Sims. Yeah. Just keep making money here. I guarantee you there's somebody on this fucking stream that, oh, jeez.
Order filled.
I guess I'm out. I bet you there's somebody on this stream that's followed trades at like a 3 times the amount that I go in and is up a ton getting payouts. There's always that guy. He doesn't say anything and he's just making money. This is the move. Finally, this is the move. Damn. There's also, there's definitely that guy too, Knob. Who else is short? I don't know. I'm out of this. I mean, hopefully you got out. It just bounced 10 points. I don't know if this is going to go down. It's just bringing it right back into this chop zone. I mean, they just brought it down or bring it right back up. Yeah, I'm out on playing it, Raymond. I back tested it. Yeah, that's the problem. I'll be honest with you, trading for a living. Like if you get up like 5-10 points and there's 5 minutes left in the day, just take the profits. Yeah, MOC is obviously better. When it was super volatile, we were making so much money on MOC every day. I was getting daily payouts every day using it. It was crazy. No, we're not moving much at all right now. And just the whole thing, it looks big, but it's really not. Like this looks like it's big. It's, 15, 20 points. Duh. Yo, it stopped me out to just do this. Getting deli payout using coupon code CoveTrader. Dude, a lot of people getting payouts today in the room, by the way. TJ's getting a payout. Maria's getting a payout. I'm requesting a payout. Somebody else said they were getting a payout also. I didn't take a trade today and honestly feel stupid. Bro, don't feel stupid, Steven. Bearish trend this morning and then the bullish. Hey, dude, sometimes you don't take a trade. I don't know the basics of trading. Why do I not know the basics of trading, Hype Hub? Explain it to me. I can't wait to hear this. Just explain it to me. You came on to say that, so let's explain it. I'm waiting because this is going to be really good. Oh, it's going to be fucking amazing. I can't wait because he just came on. I can't wait. Come on. Come on. Hey, Cole, question. If you pass TBT, would you continue to build your account? No. Once you pass, that it doesn't roll over, Carl. You just pass it. If you make $30,000 in an eval, it doesn't carry over. So just end it, and then you'll go to pro tonight, and you have a pro account tomorrow. Bro, is that all he came in for? Is that all he came in for? I was waiting for something a little bit better than that. Yeah, a lot of people think you can get more. It doesn't do that. It doesn't roll over anything. So yo, Hype Hub fucking left. Probably because I was on this screen in my one account that's down today. He probably shot his mouth off. I mean, I'm pretty. Maybe I just got lucky today. I got lucky. I got super fucking lucky. Bro, I can't believe how lucky I got today. I got super lucky. I think it auto closed. It opens during the trading session. I think it auto closes. I'm not it's too much for me to do it all the time. It just auto does it. This is trade day. I want to get a trade day account. The only issue with trade day is you got to trade for 7 days. So that's why I have not been pushing this account hard. But I think starting tomorrow, I should shoot for like at least $700. Well, show me how much money you're up today, Hype Hub. Because I depend on indicators and not institutional and price action trading setup. You don't know anything. Maybe I do. Maybe I don't. Let's see your P&L. You obviously could see what I'm up today. And on top of that, I'm trading options also of real money. So let's see what you're up today. I mean, listen, you could have a better day than I did today. And this is just one random day. It's not like I'm pulling my best day out ever. So let's see your P&L in a real money account, some prop firm accounts. Let's see what you made today. Let's see it. We're all waiting. You can just post it right there. I mean, you got a cool picture of a GTR on your channel? I mean, I'm sure that's your car. I'm sure that's yours. We're all waiting. I mean, I'd love to see it. I'd love to see it. Yo. Dude, if you held that shit short after hours, mind you, I don't like trading after hours. That was a fucking hit. Oh shit, Sean. So this was it. Look, this is what I was talking about. See how it broke here? You would have gotten your points. I got this fucking clown in here that I didn't even stick to what I wanted to do. So the thing I showed you before, the drift, it was this to the downside. You would have gotten in at 216 to the downside. So sorry, my bad. This was the candle, and you would have gotten in at 219 to the downside. Dude, some hype dude that's wasting my time, and I completely missed this out. Yo, he's saying Monica every time he trades, bro. What, Ali? What, people coming in telling me how great they are? Listen, I hope people are making money. I mean, I want to see people making money. But don't come in here. There's a right way to do it, and there's like a wrong way to do it. I'm sure you made $10,000, dude. I'm sure. We all believe you. I definitely believe you. Yeah. I believe you. Fucking clown. Yeah, it's probably Smokey. Oh. Yeah. Yo. Yeah, exactly. Dude, this guy made no money today. clown. Anyways, now's a great time. If you got questions, now's a good time to ask. But that was the trade I showed you with the 74% win rate. It would have been taking the trade right here at 219 to the downside. And that would have been it. You would have taken it for 25 ticks to the downside. I don't know. I didn't watch how this candle played out, but I assume just how the candles are lined up. Basically, this candle opened here. It probably wicked up, went down, and then closed here, and then continued. This was probably super clean. You probably would have taken 0 drawdown. You would have been in at 19 and out at right here at 14, 13-ish. Yeah, it worked. Dude, it works. I'm glad somebody fucking made money on it. Steven, I would just think that, do you feel like you don't want to lose? Are you afraid of just losing? Is it one of those like, oh, I'm afraid of losing? Because that happens where people don't want to lose money. So they constantly like don't take trades because they're afraid it's going to go the other way. I would say just let it rip, man. Or take a smaller size. You know what I noticed, Sean, is when you get these big candles, a lot of times it doesn't continue. A lot of the times it will come and backfill. You know, so this is just a backfill. Look, we came down and you backfilled the whole candle and then you continue down. Yeah, I forgot end of day also. Code. Sean hit it. I forgot it. I was too busy dealing with this stupid shit. But yeah. That's called the vector candle. Creo. Learn something new every day. But yeah, when they drop it end of day like that, they usually backfill it and then they'll continue down. Yeah, I was trying to see this dum-dum in the chat. I know. Me too. Listen, I don't know all the terminology. I'm not going to say I do. I just know what happens a lot end of the day. I feel like because there's not a lot of volume, it drops, you know, what is this, 25 points? And they just backfill the small amount of volume, and then they come back. No, I haven't, to be honest with you. Steve Morar, no. Nope. Bro, he owes me at least $400 for missing out on that trade. So ridiculous. That was a 3K Delta candle. Yo, are you guys like making this shit up? I don't even know. Oh, you talking about cumulative Delta? PG? I think so. It's coming off a red week, and I don't exactly. I would backtest your strategy, Steven. Because if you haven't backtested, then you don't know how good your strategy really works. So I would backtest. And once you backtested, forward test with a small size. And then once you do, you know that the strategy works. Oh, 9K total. Yeah, which is nothing, PG. Are these my funded futures the new norm with these prices? No, it's which ones? The $77, and then with coupon code it goes down to 66. Maximus, I heard about it. I'll be honest with you, I don't follow it because I'm past the 25K, to be honest with you. Yeah, coupon code Cove Trader gives you an additional discount. Yeah. I think it brings it down to $66. is what it brings it down to. I think that's what you go down to, is $66. I'll show you exactly. Yeah, I'll show you. Yeah, 60 here. I'm going to download it real quick. Here it is. There you go. It's $66 with the coupon code CoveTrade. You get an additional 15% off. So 66, 108, and 193. Yo, I'm going to be honest with you. I know, listen, I'm just going to tell you the truth here. I'm probably going to get core accounts. I'm probably going to stick with these, get my fucking $1,000 payouts, and then possibly maybe get a scale account. But I'm going to probably stick. You can't, I mean, that's a cheap fucking price, $66 with no activation fee. Like, that's $13 more than Topstep. And then Topstep wants you to pay $150 for an activation fee. So for $13 more, you can get an account with no activation fee. I would do this. If you're trading on Topstep, I would leave Topstep and buy core accounts, personally. Yo, Steven. Yeah. Topstep has a 50-50 split, though, if you didn't know. But, yeah, it's 80-20. Something has to give. Steven, I'll be honest with you. 98% of the time is you waiting for a trade, man. If you can't sit and watch the market go and not trade, you should practice on that first, where you just watch the market move and just say, hey, I'm not jumping in anything. I'm just going to wait. But, yeah. And then the scale plan has, so this is $1,000 payout for 5 payouts, and I think you go live after that. The other one is a scaling. The other one's a scaling plan, and this is the scaling plan. Your payout one is $1,500, and it goes bigger payouts, and then once after 5 payouts, you go live. So, I don't know. It's whatever you want to do. I'm just trying to save you guys money. You know, my whole goal is for you not to overpay for shit, to be honest with you. Yo, did you blow a trade on the dump, Ali? Yo, yeah, well, it's not called starter anymore. It's called core. And basically, the evals have consistency rules, but the funded does not. If you blew an account on the dump today, at the bare minimum, you shouldn't have got in until down here. That would have been your first entry. Actually, a little bit lower because I went off the 30-second chart. But there's people that are trying to buy up here and like, you know, just let it happen. Let it dump. Gotta let it just dump. It's funny is, oh, well, no, we dumped end of the day. You blew an account also? In the morning chop. Oh, what? This chop? Honestly, though, if you missed getting the bounce off the bottom here, you should watch my fair value gap video because you wouldn't have bought until it was down here. And then once you're up here, you're out of the fucking trade. Like, there is no more trade anymore. You know, the trade is gone. You know, when you're in this chop, there's only a couple of trades that you could possibly have. First of all, the fact that we're not breaking over VWAP, you would probably look downside. But I would really be looking for a retest of this, of right here, retest of this order block. And then I would look for that is what I would have looked for. You know, and then you would have taken, I might have gotten in right here, to be honest with you. because we probably inverted a fair value gap on the way up. So I probably would have gotten maybe sucked in here, but I would have sold half my shit at this wick. I probably would have gotten in somewhere here on a 30-second inversion, and I would have probably sold half my stuff here. And then my next entry was over here. What do I think about CVD? What's CVD? Yeah, what happens is in the chop, people are like, oh, it's going to break out. So they go long at the top. And then it's going to dump and they go short at the bottom. And then you get, you keep going back and forth. Yeah. Cumulative. I don't use cumulative. So I tried using cumulative volume delta before. Cumulative delta, I tried it. It just wasn't for me. I'll be honest with you. I don't know if my method is difficult or super fucking easy. I feel like it's the easiest. Like, I make all my decisions on basically on this, and then I have this same chart on a 30-second. And that's all I'm looking for. I'm not looking for like crazy shit to happen. I don't know. I feel like I keep it pretty simple for myself. See, this is what my chart looks like. All this has is fair value gap inversions. So all I'm looking for is a dump to the downside. A dump to the downside. And here, you can be like, oh, well, it didn't happen. You could see the IVGs here from another script. But I'll show you. Right there. That was... I got in here. I got in right here on this bar. And then I got out half up here. And then you can see we dumped. And I took the next one up. Actually, I took it right here. I took it early. But yeah, I like running these replays. Just to see, So I have the 30-second and the 1 minute up. And that's how I make my decisions on things. But I'm usually looking for straight up, like, I want to see dumps. I want to see a hard move down to come back up. I don't know. Listen, my way is not the best way. And you know what I tell everybody? If you got something and it works for you, fucking stick with it. Don't do something because I'm doing it. But if you're clueless and you're new, why don't you take some of the things that I do and then put it on your chart and then see if you like it or not? You know how many indicators I went through? Here's my thing. Watch. Look at this. These are all my favorite indicators. I've tested all these out over time just to see what I like, right? And some I've tested out that aren't even here anymore. I got rid of. So, like, it wasn't like I just sat down and started fucking, back test. Put some time in. You got to treat this. You got to treat this like a job. And if you're not treating it like a job or your business, pretty much like your business. If you're not treating it like your business, then I can't help you. I missed that move up, even though I had a feeling. Yeah, but you want the buy indicator. Like, what is your buy indicator, Steven? Like, my buy indicator isn't a fair value gap inversion. Right? Fair value gap inversion. I know that's my indicator. I have a clear take. I have a clear take profit. I have a clear stop loss. I have a clear entry. The drift is literally just the end of the day. I take the downside break of the 359 candle, 359 to 4 o'clock. How do I back test? So sometimes I do it manually like this. I'll just be like, okay, we bounce out of this, for argument's sake. Like, I don't even know how to, every time we hit a pivot point, how many points up. Like, can I get 10 points up with a 10-point stop? Okay, we hit a pivot point. Okay, it doesn't go lower. Okay, I got 10 points. Okay, I put it in an Excel spreadsheet. 10-point up winner. You know, I don't do this one because this is the second time we hit the pivot point. I'm only looking for the first bounce. You know, that, or I use FX replay now, which is similar to this. But yeah, it's all manual though. It's not like I just tell the AI what to do and it spits it out. Like, I put time. Every time I backtest something, sometimes within 5 minutes, I know it sucks because I'll do 4 days, and 4 days, like 3 of them are losers. And I'm probably like, this isn't looking that good. You know, and then sometimes if I do a full backtest, it could take me 45 minutes. You know, when I did the backtest for the drift, it was like 45 minutes, an hour to do that. It's an hour of my time after trading all day and answering questions because you got to put the time and effort in. All right, let's run this thing. You got to put the time and effort in. If I'm doing it, you guys should definitely be doing it, right? You know, it's not like I'm telling you to do it and then I'm not back testing and I'm not doing shit. Like, I'm here every day grinding at night. I'm in the Discord at night talking shit. Like, people throwing out ideas, and I'm like, you know what? That's not a bad idea. Let me see how that is. I started trading gold because somebody talked about it. Gold made me a ton of fucking money today. I'm still testing it, but I'm just saying. By the way, if you're new and you want to join the duck race, you got to subscribe. Also, we stream live every day, twice, once in the morning, once in the afternoon. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER below. It works at all the prop firms. And that's pretty much it, guys. The ducks. There'll be 4 races, and then there'll be a winner. I'm going to stream all day on Thursday and Friday. Bro, I don't know, Creo. I'll let you know. I'll let you know when I take a payout. I'll let you know if I get a payout. If I get a payout, I'll love it. You got an idea, Anderson? What's the idea? I'm open to all ideas. By the way, Visible, are you here? Also, the first link in this is for my free futures course. So if you're new here and you're like, oh, wait, I don't know this, I don't know that, the first link is for the free futures course. Visible, are you here? Visible's here. Okay, cool. Oh, geez, that's gonna be a rough one to. You gotta pick the same news release though. You can't be like non-farm payroll and the next one is FOMC or CPI. You gotta stick with the same. The problem is you gotta stick with the same news because not all news is the same. You know, you have to have a constant. So you got to have the constant of being the same news. I don't know. That's going to be a hard one to back test. Steven, I would just hang out and I would talk. The more you talk and ask questions, the better you're going to be. How's that sound? PG, that was everybody that was on the stream at 10:45 in the morning. So if you weren't on the stream at 10:45 in the morning, you could not have entered that one. Each one of these is if you're on the stream at a different time when I open it up. Every time I open it up, it's a new one. You're in on this one, PG. I just saw your name. Literally, I saw your name. So you're on that. You're on right here. I don't see where your name is, but you're definitely on this. I'll show it. If you don't see it on the screen, I'll show it to you. I'll show you. Yo. Jim, are you here, Jim? Is there a Jim? Jim? Dude, you got like 30 seconds, Jim, to claim this. Jim's here. Watch this. All right, look, ready? Edit list. CPG, you're right there. So this was everybody. If you submitted the code at, I think this next one was at like 2:45. So I open it up multiple times. The more times you're around, the more entries you got. Yo, we're going to do a sprint race. Sprint race. Ho, 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 ho. Bodine, are you here? All right. Let's see who else we got. This is the last one, and then all the winners will go. I'm trying to mix it up. Ooh. Oh, that's interesting. You can hit this and it shuffles the characters. That's interesting. Ran those Bodines around. Uh-oh. That's premature frontulation right there. Bro, I haven't seen B-Pet. Where'd B-Pet go? B-Pet just left. I don't know what happened to him. Keyshawn is Trump. Bro, he just bounced. Are you here? All right, my bad. I just fucking wrote something. I just wrote something so inappropriate in a fucking group chat. Yo, where has Flip been? Yo, Flip was trading gold. Last time I saw Flip, he was trading gold. All right, what are we doing here? What type of race do we want? What type of race do we want? Potato sack? Yo, you know what? I know what race we're going to do. Dude, we've never done... Here we go. What the fuck is this? We're going to do this one. This is a new race. I've never done this one before. Oh, this looks like something my kid would do. What the? Yo, little dino race. Yo, I bet you. I like the green guy. I think the green guy is going to win, to be honest with you. My money's on the green. Dude, it's like equal. They're equal. Oh, they're not. Oh, shit. Look at Jim. What the fuck? Dude. Yo, only if that third horn was a little bit bigger. You need a bigger third horn. Oh, shit. Jim, hit me with an email. Hit me with an email. Dude, best bang for your buck. Have you bought one yet, Carl, this month? Or no? Have you bought one or no? If you haven't bought one all month and you get 50% off, I would do Starter Plus. If you can get this one. If not, I kind of like that Core one for $66. If you can get 50% off, do that. If not, do the Core, the new Core one. That's what I would do. If it's 50 off, Starter Plus. Not 50 off, Core. That's where I put my money. So if you haven't bought an account yet, I would go with the Starter Plus if you can get 50% off using code CoveTrader. If not, I go to the Core account, which is one of their new accounts, and it's only $66. No, that's the fucking wrong. Scale plan. They fucked the pricing up. The pricing is it should be $66. But yeah, that's where I would go. $66 and you're set. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Anybody got questions? Questions? Comments? Anything? I thought we had a pretty good day, right? Yeah, Starter Plus is named Scale pretty much, yeah. I was just saying to get the 50% off. Because if you do this Scale plan, you don't get 50 off. It's just 15% off. So that's why I was saying do Starter Plus. Starter Plus gets you 50% off. With, and then if you can't get the 50 and you have to get one of the Scale or Cores, I would go Core. That's all. Any other questions? Anything else? Yo, if you have questions, guys, come to the Discord and ask. That's where I'm at when I'm this is where you can find me. I answer everybody's question in here. It's where I'm trading when I'm not on here. I try to post trades when I'm not in here. So like when I'm not on this live stream, I'll post trades in there. What's the negative? They reduce the price, so you pay less, but the profit split is less. It's 80-20, but also you're paying maybe 20% less. So you're paying less money and you get a little less in payout percentage. But, you know, like anything, you kind of get what you pay for. I mean, you know, dude, today was an awesome day. Today was an awesome day. Which account is that? Well, I was talking about my funded futures. My funded futures, the new plans are less money, but you get a little less. But, you know, Starter Plus is going to be the new scale plan, is going to be the closest thing to Starter Plus. It's called Scale. I'm in Discord every night, Carl. Every night. I actually have a playoff baseball game tonight, so I'm probably not going to be in there much. But there's other people trading in there at night. You can go on voice and talk to people. There's a voice chat in there to hang out with if you want to talk. But, yeah, I know Flip trades gold at night. There's a couple of people that trade gold at night. So, see what happens. I'm going to jump off. All right? If you got any questions, post it in there. Peace.